Rachel here, and I wanted to get a pillow that's flat, but I didn't want it to be too flat. So I chose this 3 Geese custom pillow, and the reason why I chose it is because it's 3 pillows in one. It's adjustable. So let's go ahead and get this open and see what it looks like. To start with, it's vacuum sealed. And cutting it open, I can already see it starting to expand. It comes together in this cute little carrying case. And once you take it out of the case, you can see it's like one large pillow. But within this large pillow, there's a zipper here on the side. And opening up the zipper, it exposes, here I'll flip it over so you can see it better. But opening up the zipper, it exposes the 1, 2, 3 pillows inside. And obviously I just took it out of the packaging. You can see that each pillow is really flat. I'm sure over time it'll expand a little bit, but these are meant to be flat pillows, so I doubt they'll expand too much. But the other thing is, there are 3. If it expands and you find that it's too tall for you, the point of there being 3 is you can remove one and then just leave the 2, so it's the perfect height for you. Or you can remove both and just leave the 1. Or if all 3 are perfect, you leave it as is. So that's what really attracted me to this pillows, is the fact that it's 3 in 1 and you can adjust it to your comfort level. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a try tonight, but I'll start with all 3 and see how I like it, and then I'll adjust from there if I need to. The other thing is, on the inside of these, it's goose feathers, so you can see when I press on it, it absorbs your shape. So as you lay onto it, it'll mold to the shape of your head and neck. It's really comfortable and it's really soft. And so I think it's like a really great pillow in the fact that it is adjustable, but it also molds to the shape of your body.